through our lives, and there's things that we have to do. There's jobs that we have to do vocationally, family members, husbands, wives, children. We go through our lives. There's all kinds of projects and things that are part of life. Serving can be, for many people, at the bottom of the list when everything else is taken care of. When the bills are paid, the family's fine, the vacations have been taken, the job is secure, when everything else in life happens, at the very bottom of the list, for many people, is serving. That probably doesn't represent this group. When serving gets higher on the checklist or higher on the priority list, it becomes something that that you want to do. It becomes an important part of life. And I can tell you personally, this is never what I thought I would be doing. This was not the retirement that I had planned. I'm going to be 73 this year, and I thought it was golf and fishing and travel and a boat and family, church, serving at church, but just enough to get away with it, So if somebody came to me and said, "Are you serving?" I'd be able to say, "Yes, I am, and here's what I do." I wanted to be able to have that so I wouldn't feel guilty about being asked if I was serving. And that's really the life that I lived for a long time. My life was pretty much focused on success. I wake up in the morning, I would plan about the success things that I was going to achieve that day. And I would go to bed at night regretting the things that I thought I was going to be able to get done that didn't get done, and looking forward to planning for tomorrow to find a different way of scratching that itch of success. It really wasn't until I was in my early 60s, 61, 62, that the switch flipped, and I went from a life focused on success to a life focused on significance. And when that happened, for me and for my wife, Lori, our lives changed.